In this video, we'll calculate the magnitude of the torque required to make ship float. So the given situation is we have a ship here, a Titanic ship, and this is in Atlantic Ocean in Florida, and the ship is tilted, and we are applying a force here, and the angle of the force is 15 degrees with respect to the horizontal direction, and the axis of rotation, or the point about which the ship rotates, is this point A. So the axis of rotation is passing through this bottom of the ocean, or the floor here. So you have to imagine a little bit. So this is the axis of rotation, or this is about which the ship rotates if we apply the force. Okay, so we need to find out the magnitude of the torque that is applied to the ship. The force is given, this, or the distance is given. The distance is from the axis of rotation to the point where which the force is applied. And the angle between the force and the R is 75 degrees, not 15 degrees. So look, let's take a look here. This is the direction of the R vector, and this is the force vector. So this is the angle, 75 degrees. You can also use to find out this angle, which will be 105 degrees, this angle. So either is fine just to get the magnitude. So the angle between the R vector and the force vector is 90 minus 15 degrees, which would be 75 degrees. So now it's fairly simple to calculate the torque magnitude. The magnitude of the torque is given by RF sine theta. R is the position, F is the force, sine theta. Theta is the angle between R vector and the force vector. So R is 150. The force is given here 7 times 10 to the 5. Sine theta, sine 75 degrees. If you solve it, then what you get is 1.01. Okay. So this is the torque required to make ship, or torque that is being applied to the ship. So this is it for calculating the torque if the force and the position is given. If you have any questions, write down your questions in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.